Psychology Assessment 17, Question 14. In terms of learning, what is extinction? Extinction is a conditioned response that disappears due to the lack of a once paired stimulus. Alright, so extinction. Let's use an example of humans this time. Humans, and we'll say, oh yeah, an incarcerated human, someone who's doing life in jail. Okay, so there's a bell, there's a guy incarcerated, and then there's someone who brings him the food, right? Okay, so every time the bell rings, a plate of food is provided for the inmate. Okay, every time the bell rings, the food is provided for the inmate. All right, so this happens every day, every day, every day, every day, every day. Of course, eventually the inmate will realize, hey, every time the bell rings, I'm going to get fed. All right, so I'm gonna get a plate of food. I'm happy. All right. Now extinction. Okay, now this is when extinction occurs, right? When a person or when the bell gets rung and the person is not provided with the food and the bell keeps ringing, 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 and it does not provide the inmate with the food. At this point, the inmate would just like, hey, listen, I guess I'm not gonna get fed anymore, and he'll learn that he's not gonna get fed anymore from the bell. And this is what's known as extinction. Okay, so extinction is a conditioned response that disappears due to the lack of a once paired stimulus. You can ring the bell as many times, but once it's not paired with the stimulus, once you're not providing the inmate with the food, with the plate of food, less likely a response is going to occur.